Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color the beautiful mermaid. Let's start drawing. Start with her face. Draw her eyes and her mouth. Next, we draw the mermaid's hair. The mermaid has long and flowing hair. Then, draw her hands. Draw her tail. The mermaid has a very beautiful ornate tail. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a mermaid so they could swim comfortably under the sea? Mermaids look beautiful, don't they? Now let's color together. First, I painted the mermaid's cheeks pink. Next, I colored her tail using dark green. This tail helps the mermaid swim easily under the sea. Then I colored her hair with the pink color from before. Light brown. Finally, let's color the mermaid's skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.